In this example, we are going to continue using the quotient rule. And again, remember the first thing you got to remember when you are dividing, this line right here symbolizes that we are dividing. The first thing we got to remember is that we must subtract exponents. If we remember correctly, when we are multiplying, we add exponents. Right here, we are subtracting, so we are dividing, so we must subtract the exponents. Sometimes it's easier to rewrite this like this. I'm going to write my coefficients first, and then I'm going to write my m's next. Remember that m has an invisible one right here, and then I'm going to write my n's at the end. This is going to help me see more clearly what I'm going to be combining. So the first thing I'm going to do, even though I'm subtracting the exponents, the 36 and the negative 9 are not exponents, they are coefficients. So if we divide 36 divided by negative 9, that will give us a negative 4 as an answer. Then we are going to proceed with the m, and we are going to subtract the top minus the bottom. So we do the top minus the bottom. Now we have our ends, and we are going to subtract the top exponents minus the bottom exponent. Minus the bottom exponent. So in this case, we are going to subtract it. I'm going to rewrite this real quick. The negative 4 comes down, and then the m will be 3 minus 1. That would give us a positive 2. And then we are going to go with the n, and if we subtract that, the 5 minus 4 is going to give us a positive 1. Now if we remember correctly, when we have a positive 1, we do not have to put the 1, we could just leave it like that. And since we don't have negative exponents, that is our answer. Let's remember that the negative 4 is not an exponent, it's a coefficient, so it's okay if it stays as negative.